The flavor of a chocolate bar is mostly decided before the chocolate maker ever touches a bean. In a wooden box, on a farm. That box is where fermentation happens. Skip it, and the beans stay bitter and sharply astringent, none of the chocolate flavor you expect. For days, wild yeast and bacteria swarm the beans, building the acids and amino acids that every chocolate flavor is later made from. Roasting and grinding. The factory steps you picture can only shape what fermentation already made. They can't invent flavor that was never there. So here's the strange part. The craft movement that promises you the purest chocolate skips this decisive step almost entirely. It's called bean to bar. The maker buys sacks of dried, already fermented beans, then does everything else themselves, roasting, grinding, and molding them into finished bars. The idea caught fire. A handful of makers in 2005 became hundreds. Small brands letting cacao taste like the place it grew, but look what they buy. Beans already fermented and dried by someone else, far away. The flavor was locked before the sack was opened, so a bean-to-bar maker inherits the most flavor-deciding step instead of making it. Total control of only the second half of the story. There's another way: own the trees and the fermentation boxes, so one operation authors the whole flavor, from living pod to finished bar. That's tree to bar. Grenada is just one of 9 countries growing cocoa rated 100% fine flavor, and Mott Green's Grenada Chocolate Company began making bars from it in 1999. Today his idea is a movement. 7 Grenadian makers now, one among the smallest yet most innovative, turning the island's own beans into finished bars.